Introducing the Fastener Measurement Tool, Gen 3. The latest in countersink and fastener inspection, optimally designed to balance ergonomics, accuracy, and speed for the factory floor. The FMT measures countersinks, both domed and flat unfilled fasteners, and filled fasteners on both flat and curved surfaces, replacing antiquated inspection and reporting methods with clear, repeatable, and easy-to-read data. Start by simply placing the FMT over your feature of interest and pulling the trigger. In seconds, you will receive a pass or fail notification, along with all pertinent measurement data and a color map of your feature. With an accuracy of 3/10,000ths of an inch, the FMT can be used for final buy-off. After the inspection is completed, the results can be uploaded to a computer for quality reporting and analysis. If you would like to see a live demonstration, contact Accurex to schedule your FMT demo today.